is terrible. My back's no good. Whoa, that was a good one. Oh, that was far out. That was, I think I just caught some forks on the video.
A fork?
Yeah. Oh. I think I did. I don't know, it just, maybe it was a trick of the eye that, I mean, but there was, those ones on the island, wow, they were just full on thick, and it's right on top of us. Thick forks going straight into the island.
You actually see the lines.
Yeah, like Zeus threw them or something, you know. It was like 3 in a row. Oh, this looks amazing. I just think I'll just keep doing this for a bit. So it's like, it's nearby. I don't know which direction it's coming. It's not straight down, but it's close enough too. I mean, far out. Where is it? Oh, like it's not the normal thing to be able to look up at a lightning storm, is it?
No.
It's a crazy thought. It's just like you would never do it, would you? Normally. You don't. Oh, it's doing weird stuff to the video. It's like, yeah, it's just, wow. I think I've got a feeling it's getting closer, if that's possible.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, there's a big red, there's a red dot and there's a yellow dot there, and I don't know what that means, but shit. There's a car. I'm behind some very, very thick glass and thick metal. Otherwise, I wouldn't feel too good about looking up at this crazy shit. That is crazy. Whoa. This isn't the worst of it, like, it's just not. It was really bad before. The wind was so powerful. Just making the boat go over sideways, and all the other boats were even more sideways than ours. It was, and lots of lightning, just constant lightning. But it's not got the wind in it. And we definitely had the eye before the storm, and then it just could have. Yeah.
Still.
Yeah. I can't even see you in the dark there. But yeah. Yes, it was so, oh yeah, right above us. Full on tongues of lightning. Right above the mast. That's fucking scary. Excuse my language. Honey, there is lightning above the mast. It is right above the mast. I might end up falling backwards because I'm looking up, and I'm a bit scared I'm going to pin my pants or something if you get hit. This is crazy stuff. I feel like I better keep filming just in case we get something really amazing. So yes, I'm like about 3 inches back from a massive, heavy piece of glass, which is part of our floating cockpit. Oh, that's why I can just get these great pictures, because it's just a bit of an angle, facing straight up. Oh, it looks great on video. Wow. And there's the thunder. Oh, thunder is close, lightning is close. That means it's right here. oh. I think I need to change my angle because, oh shit. Like I'm gonna do a quick stop and start.